Hello, my 3D printer peeps. It is December 30th, 2024. I had to think about that for a moment. What a crazy year it's been. I just wanted to check in and say hello and wish all of you a very happy new year. 2024 for 3D Rundown has been absolutely insane, and I couldn't have done it without the support of all of you. And when I say all of you, I mean every single one of you that have watched a single minute of my content on YouTube, joined a Facebook group, started a conversation in the comments, left me a super thanks, shared my videos across social media, followed me on Instagram, discussed things with me in your DMs, and done all of the many things required for a successful YouTube channel to survive. Also, thank you so much to the many companies out there that have filled my studio with all kinds of toys that I use to create my tutorial, instructional, informational, and service videos for my viewers. Without you, this channel simply could not exist. It's just not possible to do this all on my own. And it is thanks to Prusa and Bamboo and Creality and Xtool and Sunlu and Algo Laser. I could go on and on and on. It is absolutely mind-blowing, flattering, and a complete and total honor to be supported by fine people like you. Entertaining, making, and helping others is the love of my life. And being a YouTuber in this wonderful 3D printing industry has helped me achieve all three of those things and made me a very happy person. Thanks to all of you who choose me and 3D Rundown as a part of your 3D printing journey, and thanks to all of you who have supported and believed in this channel, helping provide me the tools that I need to make the videos I make and to continue on this unbelievable ride in the strange place that started spontaneously one day just for shits and giggles, called 3D Rundown. My life needed 3D Rundown more than I am even remotely possible to explain. 3D printing changed my life for the better, and I am forever grateful, and I love all of you. Have a great and wonderful new year, and I can't freaking wait to see you in 2025. My hat's off to all of you wonderful people.